Do you ever feel like all the effort that you put into learning the violin will never pay off? Well, the thing is, you might be right. The way you practice matters because if you're practicing the wrong stuff, all the time you put in will go to waste. So, how do you fix that? I've played violin for over 7 years and have taught numerous students, and what I've noticed is that most beginners tend to skip out on this one technique that makes beginner violinists start to sound like pros. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what this technique is, how to start implementing it, and how you can continue to level up your violin playing. In order to get this technique good, you need to have a good bow hold first. Without a good bow hold, your tone will simply just never get better. I'm going to make it stupid simple for you. Place your thumb here, put your 3 fingers over the stick, and place your pinky here. Adjust your fingers slightly until it feels good. Everyone has a slightly different bow hold, so do what feels good for you. But in order to have that beautiful legato sound, you need to master the 3 pillars of the bow arm: the elbow, the wrist, and the fingers. Beginners just don't focus enough on this technique, which makes them sound amateur. While moving the bow, the elbow is used to extend and pull in. This part is pretty easy and most beginners already play like this. But it's their wrist which is very tight. You don't need to tighten your wrist. You can loosen it out a bit. Your bow isn't gonna fall out. You'll be fine. On an up bow, the wrist bends like this. But on a down bow, the wrist extends like this. You want to push out and away in order to get that straight bow, which is parallel to the bridge. And now lastly, the bow fingers. Your fingers are that last touch which separates the good from the great. When extending outwards, pull in the fingers, and while coming in, push out the fingers. But you might be working on all these things and still might not have the desired sound. The problem might be that you're just not using enough bow. You've got to use more bow. And the best place to practice using more bow is your scales. In your scales, try to use as much bow as you can per each note. This will tremendously improve your sound, giving you that rich sound that melts your heart. If you've watched to this point of the video, you're an action taker. You're serious about learning the violin and improving your skills. So I've made something just for dedicated beginners like you. I'm starting a program to learn your favorite song in just 30 days. And no, you don't need to know any music theory or have a ton of experience with the violin. I'll modify your favorite song to your level, give you fingering guides and cheat sheets so you never feel lost. And say absolute worst case you don't learn the full song by the 30 days, I'll keep working with you until you do. So go to the top link in the description and book a one-to-one meeting with me. We'll talk about your goals and see how I can help you. Don't worry, I'm a real person. I'm not gonna send you to some AI bot which steals your life and soul. Once you're done with that, click and watch this video here. Thank you.